4-0 play. 1-0 play. Ball up. 3-0. Ball up. 0-1. Zero. 2-0 and 1. 3-0.
Rahul is quite an aggressive player, and he's also good with the soft hands. So he's well rounded, and he can adjust to the environment.
4-0.
Raptors leading 4-0.
Ball out.
Dhruva is a young tennis player who has just come into
0-4-1.
pickleball, and he's good with his shots. Has good roll on the ball.
0-4-2.
He picked up pickleball, and he's playing really well. Great development in last 2 months. Oh, Rahul trying to hit deep, but sadly it was long. Kirti getting the first point. I think the first out took a toll on Rahul. This is a sport wherein one or two errors really put you back. Those angled dinks, Siam played a lot of those. So it's somebody who keeps calm and waits for the shot.
4-1.
We have Satya in the cockpit who takes care of operations here. Navya is the tournament director, and Satya works closely with Navya, having a walkie-talkie in his hand all the time, taking care of all the operations, and he's responsible for the smooth run of things here, all the coordination. Alright Satya, what's your prediction? What do you think? You have played for Kirti in Challengers, so I assume your support is to Kirti, but what do you think about today's game?
Hi Sandeep, so I did play for Kirti, but I won't be biased here. I think my pick is Raptors today. So because both Sayam and Rahul are someone who has less unforced errors. So I'm betting on them. Also, this is Dhruv's first match, so I'm saying I'm expecting some nerves from him.
Yeah. What do you think of Raptors? Basically, from last week, there's a lot of support from the audience, and Raptor audience is increasing day by day. Maybe because of Tarun Bhaskar and the work that Divya and Kaushik are doing. I think. Do you think the audience support will be in favor, or will it be pressure on Raptors? Extra pressure on Raptors.
It's going to be a double-edged sword. Currently, the Raptors is leading, so I feel that the crowd is going to back them, and the noise only can distract Kirti at this point. So I don't think crowd will play against Raptors.
Usually we see Sayam and Rahul playing with different partners. They're quite aggressive players and quite dominant on the court, and they're playing pickleball for some time. And they're playing together, and it's really working out for them. And they're able to try different shots and are able to use it to their advantage to log the first win for Raptors.
Please be seated. Requesting all the players in the first row, KT Warriors and Raptors, please.
It's houseful, guys, today.
Blocking the view for
The audience, they're hooting, all that heckles, all these are slightly disturbing to the players, but there's an electric vibe here. That's a beautiful defense from Dhruva Hegde. And oh, that's long. And Dhruva Hegde serving. They wish to get some points as quickly as possible, Kirti, because if they win the first match, that would add to the momentum. Oh, that's too much angle on the dink.
Sandeep, what do you think about Dhruv? Like we played against him 2 months back, and today here he is playing the HPL main league. Do you see the difference in his game, and especially the fact that he plays tennis every day? How much of that might have been contributing to his growth?
We won over them. We won over Dhruva and his partner, the quite young group. I think he's the youngest in the league. But then that was his first pickleball tournament. So using his tennis experience, he doesn't understand pickleball back then. So we had an advantage and somehow we sailed past. But now it's very hard to play with him. I was playing with him in the practice yesterday. It's quite difficult to... he has a lot of roll on the ball. So all that tennis experience is really helping him. But in these situations, it is pressure that matters. Maybe he's too young for the pressure, or he maybe performs better in pressure. That is yet to see. But as of now, Dhruva looks a strong person in Kirti. And as I'm saying, you can see a deep shot from him. He surely will be a great player in the coming years. He being very young, he's a lot of years to go on pickleball. I mean, even people at 50 play. So right now he's 14 or 15. So he has like a long way to go.
Yes, he won under 16 Telangana tournament, and he represented Telangana in Jammu Nationals.
Yes. I mean that's a great thing. So he's picking up really fast. So no wonder he won the Telangana under 16. His resets also really are good. I think he has worked a lot on his resets and soft game, and that is really showing up on the court.
Just like that, Kirti lost both their serves and service back to Raptors.
It's quite important to get some points on your serves. You cannot just lose it, give it away like that. Anurag looks slightly in pressure. He usually plays those well, but those free points are really going to hurt Kirti Warriors.
I'm predicting Kirti would get some points in this phase. Let's see. It's half time.
What do you think, Satya? Do you think Anurag is slightly nervous, or is it that he is slightly in his regular form today?
Yes, he did play much better in the previous encounter. It looks like he is kind of struggling today. I think I think he needs some more game time because most of it are unforced errors. So let's see whether it will be too early or
I think
the game will be over by then.
it's the pressure to win the match that takes over players' mind. It's quite important to forget everything before a point and play a game, but then easier said than done.
11-3-2.
I think Anurag is taking more number of balls and they are targeting Anurag at this point. So finally an unforced error from Raptors.
3-11-1.
It's important now for Kirti to get some points on the board. That's a smart move from Sayam. We just saw both are near the baseline and they are ready for a
1-2.
deeper shot. Went for the drop.
Drop error from Kirti.
11-3-1.
That's third shot gone wrong. Beautiful speed up. Rahul is really good at that. He waits for the shot, understands what a dead dink is, waits, and then goes for the speed up. And that paid off now. It's important for Anurag to support right now.
12-1.
Look at the role Rahul has. He's really good with his rolls. But sometimes they are long. But it's important to take those risks. He being an aggressive player. But his rolls are really good and they're deceptive as well. He suddenly uses his wrist. The way he uses his wrist to turn the ball.
4-12-2.
And the opponents do not have the time to react to that. Even reaction might lead to a pop, which is to his advantage. Some lazy play from Raptors. Maybe because of the 7-point lead they put up on the board.
Raptors are getting a lot of air on the ball, so that's kind of tempting for them to go for the big shots.
Yeah. That was out. That's good lead from Anurag. That's presence of mind. It's important to judge the ball well. Because in pickleball you can neutralize the threat anytime just by resetting the ball or doing a dink. The advantage of the team is reset. Anurag is really playing, he has picked up his game and really playing well. Lot of roll on those dinks you can see.
While the Kirti Warriors stage a comeback, we have an important announcement. It's the last 45 minutes for the bar guys. So if you want to get a drink, go right now.
As we say, they're really picking up. This should have been their game from the start. But Anurag is really playing good under pressure right now.
The pitcher kind of puts the timeout for Raptors.
Post timeout for Raptors, but I think now Anurag is set up, and I think he's a threat to Raptors as of now. Looks like a threat to Raptors.
If this serve can get 2 more points, I think the pressure, the game is back. Kirti is back in the context.
Yes. But a good, really good fight back from Kirti Warriors. It's important to keep fighting until the last point, because in sports like tennis and pickleball, you really have the chance. You just need to keep fighting, keep the momentum. Believe in yourself. Oh, that's a slight prop from... but then Rahul Reddy is not at all forgiving on those. A ruthless attack from Rahul. That amount of pace cannot be sent back. You really do not have time to...
Dhruv tried to drop the ball right in front of him and not cross court, and that costed him because he tried the same shot twice. So, and Rahul didn't forgive him.
I mean, same with Dhruva. A really good attack from him, but somehow they are able to neutralize. But then every attack really affects the mind. Oh, Rahul Reddy trying the same shot, but this time it doesn't work for him. Kirti Warriors back with the serve.
It's a much better drop from Dhruv.
Anurag started playing.
The lead died down to
Working out
3.
for them. Really good hands. Really good hands. Good hands.
Blocked by Anurag.
Yeah, that speed up was hard to block. At this point in time, that was slightly impulsive to hit a drive, but he tried to surprise Raptors. High risk, high reward kind of stuff, but sadly, this time it paid off. Dhruva's tag at the net is really good. It's 12-11. Great fight back. Great comeback from Kirti Warriors. This is what is needed of them. Anurag, beautiful soft hands, beautiful setup. But unfortunately, last smash went out. Much needed easy point though. That might change the face of the game. But then, and out. I think it's time for Raptors. Looking at how Kirti is playing.
Tried for Nani there, but
Those hand signs. No switch. No stacking. Right when Anurag is playing his shots and with 0 errors, Dhruva looks slightly shaky. That's what pressure does to you.
I was back with Kirti.
There are heckles on my commentary. Interesting. The way audience are supporting Kirti Warriors. A beautiful to the line put away by Rahul. Is really doing those very well. It has an 80%, 80 to 90% in rate, and that is a shot tough to play.
They really need some points here.
Oh, it's called out! Happiness on Kirti audience are extremely happy on that call. Anurag tried his best. He has a lot of angle on that ball. Ball was slow, but that low bounce and angle on the shot makes it really tough.
He's really playing a lot of this today.
Beautiful point, beautiful point. Great show in pressure.
Getting a point, break. 3 breaks in the line.
Yeah. But Kirti look dominant on the court as of now.
Still that momentum is with Kirti. The lead was
I
7,
really want
it's
them
down
to win
1.
because they haven't won their first game till now. Bhaskar there supporting his team. Ready for singles. I love the way Dhruva is celebrating. Happy young mind. Aggressive. These very few points, they're extremely important. Fatal as well. Dhruva doing his dings well. But then there's a deep. This is getting exciting. It's a nail-biting first game. Wow! Anurag does it for them. The most important point. Kirti, the way they fought back is truly amazing today. Shaky hands. Raptors 1 point to go. Most important break. Match point. Match point for Raptors.
I guess serve break.
I wish for a serve break too.
There you
Yeah, here we go. Match is turning interesting. This kind of pass match has really set good tone for the audience as well.
go. Shantanu looks very excited. He's pumping his team.
I'm pretty sure his heart would be racing. Soft hands. Let's see who attacks first. Dead silence. Dead silence. Dead silence. Dead silence. Kirti does it. Kirti does it. But audience are going over the line, screaming in between the point. Not healthy for the game. But it's like dead silence in the on the court.
Dink rally from both the
Ah.
teams with the slice dinks. You can see it today.
It's 14 all, guys. Players all sweaty. Both by the pressure and the amount of
On match point.
Kirti. If Kirti wins the first match, then match point. It'll be celebration. No wonder if Kirti comes out, Kirti team comes onto the court and dance.
Did win last encounter's first match. So this would be a good streak for them.
That is a great comeback. It's like they played their best. Siam and Rahul. And they registered their first win. It was not an easy win. A great
Very
comeback.
Can see
Dhruva. It's exciting here. Eclectic. There are screams. Zina looks happy. I'm pretty sure Shantanu will be the happiest person. It was not an easy win for Kirti. Rahul and Siam are no less of a good players.